boys and girls. This is day 3 workshop. So this is our 3rd day of school now, and this is your workshop video. Now I want to remind you that, remember, I'm not always going to make workshop videos starting next week. I will make one video on Monday to show you some options of what you can do during workshop. There's going to be lots of different things that you can fill this time with. Picking an activity from your binder, from your workshop choice board, and I will lay out a bunch of options on Monday for you of what you can do each day. Pick one activity a day or 2 activities a day even during workshop to do. But since it's the first week of school, I want us to get used to a new routine and practice some of our workshop stuff. So I'm going to be making these videos today and tomorrow still for our daily workshop. So yesterday you practiced writing your letters, the capital uppercase letters. Today you are going to practice the I can trace letters, lowercase letters. So we're going to be practicing our lowercase letters today. Now you are going to use a pencil when you work on workshop, because we always use pencils in kindergarten, and it's really important to use a pencil because if you ever make a mistake, which it's okay, mistakes happen, you can just erase your writing with the pencil and then you can fix your mistake. If you use a marker or a crayon, you can't erase that on a piece of paper, so it's harder. So I'm going to use a marker just because it's easier for you to see on the video, but I want you to use a pencil, okay? Now remember, the first thing that we do is always to put our name on the paper. And I have a little rhyme that I like to say to help us remember. If you remember it from my videos yesterday, I want you to say it with me today. The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. So, I think this is a little crooked, sorry friends. The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. So I wrote Miss P up here. Remember, you're holding your pencil with a good pencil grip because we're practicing that in kindergarten. You don't want to hold your pencils with your fist. You don't want to hold it in between your fingers. You want to hold it all together, just like this, resting at the tips of your fingers. Get a nice pencil grip going. So we are tracing our lowercase letters today. So this is the same thing as yesterday, just lowercase now. When you trace the letter, I want you to say the letter's name, okay? And when we trace our letters, remember we talked a little bit yesterday, we go from the top of the letter to the bottom. So we work from the top to the bottom of the letter. So I'm going to move back to this side actually because it's a little bit easier. And we are going to start at the top of the A, make one line down, and then you're making a big ball to the left of your line. For your lowercase b, you start at the top, go all the way to the bottom, and you can pick your pencil up if you need to. You don't have to though. Then you make another ball on the bottom of the line going to the right. For our C, we start at the top, work our way to the bottom. D, start at the top, all the way to the bottom, up and around. You're making your ball shape to the left of your line. B and D are kind of tricky, so if you can't tell those apart yet, that might be something you want to work on. E, straight line in the middle, up and around. F, start at the top, curve up all the way down, cross in the middle. So we have our first line done. I'm going to show it to you a little bit closer for you to see. But I want you to practice with your very nicest handwriting, your best kindergarten practice writing. Trace the rest of the alphabet. Okay? I can't wait to see yours when it's done. If you want to take a picture of it and send it to me to show me, I would love to see it. I hope you have fun with this, friends. Remember, every letter you write, say the name of the letter, okay, to practice that. Have fun. Thanks.